Welcome to Oz Nomad Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Bec, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country. For notifications, click subscribe and hit the bell, and that will keep you up to date. So that's it for Moore Park Beach today. We're heading to Bargara and to the Big 4 Caravan Park, situated east of Bundaberg on the coast. Caravan parks are really not our thing. I reckon some of them are so overpriced, but we have a couple of credits to use up and we decided it was best to use them while we were passing by. Don't get me wrong, Bargara Caravan Park is a really great park in a great location, but it's $57 per night, which is $400 a week, and that's affordable for some, but it's not for us. Plus, we really enjoy the off-grid small camping areas. We set up, did a few loads of washing, headed to the grocery store, did some cleaning, charged all the batteries and settled down to watch the sunset. Straight across the road from the van park is the beach and a coffee shop. While Ed sleeps, I'm an early riser, so it's off for coffee and brekkie I went. Attached to the beachfront is a family-style park with a playground, a skateboard cement pad with rails,
these trees are amazing, all their leaves are turning yellow. And then it's making this deep coverage all over the ground.
and a really large skate park. At the far end of the park is an off-leash dog area.
And that's your skating ring for your kids. It's literally straight across the road from the caravan park. Keep them happy. There's your van park. So that's us parked there. This is the front row of the van park, and it's pretty much straight across the road from that park and the beach. Ideal location, really.
Today we went for a look through Australian Macadamias Visitors Centre. It was way better than I expected. There were rows of macadamia trees at the front door, so you could touch and look at them. Inside the centre was also really well done. There was large trees made out of all different types of wood, with leaves and the sky on the roof. It was so clever and creative. We watched, and behind the glass the macadamias got rolled in white chocolate. The cafe offered coffees and cake. It also served lunches, with macadamias being in most meals. The decor in the building was amazing and modern, and had lots of great info on how they grow the nuts. There was free taste testing, and they gave the kids a small dish of macadamias still in their shell to take outside, where they had a log and hammer set up and they could smash the pods. The gift shop offered products from all over the local area and sold honey from the bees in their orchard, along with 1 million different types of macadamias. Australian Macadamias owns 215,000 trees. It's a big business. So we just left Australian Macadamias. Make sure you put that one on your list. It was free entry. You got to do free taste testing. There was a chocolatier working behind a glass window and you could watch him making the chocolates. They had a cafe and a gift shop. We enjoyed a coffee. Don't miss that one. If you're still watching, thanks. If you could take a minute and hit the subscribe button. 85% of those watching last week weren't subscribed. It really helped pay the fuel bill. The next stop was the Bundy Zoo. It's a small zoo on the banks of the Mary River in Alexandra Park. They have a few of the Australian natives like emus and dingoes, some snakes and lizards, and a few Aussie parrots. They also had a couple of very cute cotton-topped tamarins. It's worth a look, and the park next door looked great for kids. Do the river walk. That looks like a good platform for catching catfish. We did a little bit of the riverside boardwalk down to the river. It looks over the old railway bridge. A quick decision was made that we should possibly go to the chocolate shop. It's in the main street of Bundy. Once we got our fix and we were happy and on our way with our bags of goodies. Next day we decided to go for a fish down to the port. On the way we called into Monrepo Turtle Beach, but we were a little late and they were closed. We did a quick walk down to the beach just to check we didn't miss a turtle. We fished for a couple of hours and couldn't catch a trick. After no bites, not one, we headed to find a shop we had seen on a flyer. It cost us a fortune. This is gonna be dangerous. Next was lunch. We were starving. We found this great little food van on the side of the road with smoked meats and salads. It was delicious. Then we went to the Jayco store for a few parts and had a look around, checked out some new vans and dreamed a little bit. Well, that's it for us for this week. Keep in contact, stay happy, and we'll see you next week at 6 a.m. Sunday.